Hi, ho mga pangya. Good morning. It's holiday. It's public holiday. So, yeah, I'm heading out now to Taiwan because we have a retreat. We have a pause encounter in our church. So, yeah. And I was a little bit stressful today because we managed to book the ticket from here in Hong Kong to Philippines. But the problem is I still haven't get the booking reference. But I am busy today, so I cannot check. But I will try to check it later. So yeah, that is super stressful today. But I'm waiting, looking for my friend. Okay, there they are. Oh, good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Today, and we're heading to with the beautiful sister. We're going to retreat, Monday retreat. That's our morning face, fresh. We're going to have a breakfast first before we go to our retreat. So, yeah, kasi masyado pa namang maaga. I thought that.
8 pa lang. Excited tayo eh.
Sige lang, continue. Ano gagawin? Nag-vlog ako.
Kala ko take my show.
May picture na din.
Labas, walang ikon.
Ay,
Sorry.
Moisey. How come? Thank you. Because kumain na tayo mga sis, nahihilo na tayo.
Ano siya ng 8 dito na? Sigurado ka 8 plot? 9 lang to. Ay, ito. Kayo tuloy yung nahuli.
Dahil siya mamaya. So, we are about to start our encounter God's retreat. So, I'm going to off this vlog now for a while. And I'll see you guys later.
So hello.
This is my beautiful sister from the church, from another mother, from another father, and another brother and sister. And together with another sisters from the church as well. So yeah, this is my nanay Florence. So yeah guys, see you later. Bye! Hi guys! So we're just going to have our lunch. We have like a lunch break. Wow.
Diyan tayo kanina galing, di ba sis?
Okay.
Ulam? Ay, ito. Kung chow, kapan? Kapan?
Sino mo ka na yun? Di ba kung sawa?
Ay, kalito. Ano pa? Ito po. Ulam, manok.
Hindi kasi kahapon, di ba may party kami? Alam mo ba walang tubig doon? Alam mo yung ininom ko, 5 lemon tea, yung pack, yung maliliit na pack, 5 ganun.
Kaya water muna ako.
Hi guys! So our retreat is end now. We're going home na.
Asan siya?
Ay, nasa ate dyan?
Paano na tayo?
So it was a really good and great encounter. So we're just gonna say our goodbyes to our leaders.
Thank you for the lunch. Thank you po. Ingat po. See you tonight. Thank you so much. Not yet. Ay, bukas pa lang. Hindi pa lang.
乘观塘线，左边的车门将会打开。
Next station, Yaotong. Interchange station for the Kwantong line. Doors will open on the left. 本班列車以寶林為尾站，往康城嘅乘客請喺將軍澳站轉車。
They're all
本班
busy.
列車的终点站是宝林，前往康城的乘客，请在将军澳站换乘列车。
This train will stop service at Polam. Passengers for Lohas Park should change trains at Changwon-o.